Today, I'll show you how to enable Spotify in Gemini on Android. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In Gemini on Android, Spotify works as a connected app. Google says you can use it to play or search for music and podcasts from the Gemini mobile app. But this works on Android only, not in the Gemini web app, not in Gemini inside Google Messages, and not in live chats. Google also says your Spotify account must be linked to your Google account, and Gemini Apps Activity must be on for Spotify to connect. To get started, make sure you have both the Gemini app and the Spotify app installed on your Android phone. Then open the Gemini app and sign in to your Google account. Google says Spotify is available through Gemini's connected app system, which you manage from the Gemini mobile app on Android. Now here's the easiest setup method. In the Gemini app, simply ask for something on Spotify, like play jazz on Spotify or play my workout playlist on Spotify. Google says if Spotify is not connected yet, Gemini will give you the option to connect it, and then you just follow the on-screen instructions. You can also check the connection manually. Open Gemini, tap your profile picture or initial, then go to Connected Apps. Google says this is the place where you can connect or disconnect supported apps, including media apps like Spotify. If Spotify appears there, turn it on and finish the linking steps. After that, you can use prompts like play song name on Spotify, play music for studying on Spotify, or find a podcast about business on Spotify. Google says Gemini can search for and play songs, albums, artists, playlists, and podcasts through Spotify. It also notes that if you have more than one media app connected, Gemini may use the last media app you used unless you specifically say Spotify in the prompt. There are a few limits to keep in mind. Google says Gemini cannot create Spotify playlists or radio stations for you, and direct playback controls like pause, resume, next, and previous are not handled through Spotify itself in Gemini. Also, Google says playing a specific song or podcast on demand requires a Spotify premium subscription. So, in simple terms, open Gemini on Android, ask it to play something on Spotify, connect Spotify when prompted, or turn it on from connected apps. Once that's done, Gemini can use Spotify for supported music and podcast requests on your Android phone. And that's how to enable Spotify in Gemini on Android. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.